Right, so if you go to the model, from processes to the model, you will find new model, which is called simple model. Okay, and within this model, we have skeleton, faults, horizons, edges, intersections, properties, fault filter, zone filter, segment filter, but they are still empty. Okay, we just have the name, the simple grid. And also I want to show the window. So from here we can go to, let's find the window and 3D window. Okay, and the Petrel will ask, the coordinate reference system CRS for this project is undefined because we haven't selected any coordinate, right? So we can either select the CRS if you know for sure the coordinate of your field, or we can also continue spatially anywhere. Okay, I say previously geographically unaware, but actually Petrel call it continue spatially unaware. So we will use this one. Okay, so this is the 3D window that we'll be using from now on. Okay, so now we enter the model. We tick the top, mid, and base skeleton. Okay, so we have top, mid, and base. So this is the skeleton. Okay, and you can, yeah, you can move the model like this, the skeleton like this. If you press right click, left button on your mouse, it can be like this. Okay, also can like this. All right, and then for example, we can check this one, track this cursor, or also link this camera, something that we can use. Okay, and then if I want to show the axis, view all. If you want to view all, if you do something like this, okay, we cannot see some parts. We can click this one, view all, and then we can see all the models, all the sections of the models. Okay, and then this one, view from above, like this. This one, zoom. This one, orthogonal camera. I think I will need this one, axis, yeah. And then I want to view all. I will move like this so I can see the axis. So you can see the X is from 0 to 10,000, X-axis. It is west to east direction. And then the Y also 0 to 10,000. It is north-south direction. Whereas for the Z, you can see it is 7,000. I think it's 7,475. All right. And then the bottom depth is at 9,160. So you can see here, if I scroll like this. Okay. Again, I want to view all. Okay, so far so good. So these are our skeletons. And then from here, yeah, you can see this one. From here, we will create surfaces. Okay, so if I change this one to select, I'm more comfortable with select. And then if you go to simple, okay, the skeleton, and then you click right click, it will, and select convert to surface, you will have this one. Okay, skeletons from simple in your cases, in your input, I mean. Okay, you have top, mid, and base. Okay, after you right click and convert to surface. So now actually you have surface. All right, and then we go to processes again, and then we will make and edit polygons. Right click, double click, I mean, make edit polygons. Okay, and then okay, so I will make polygons. Okay, so if we check the hints in the make edit polygons processes, the user can create and edit points and polygon, and then new points polygon can be digitized on any visible object in 3D window. All points can be dragged in any direction in 3D space. Okay, so I will make polygon, and we open the tool palette. You can see here polygon editing. Okay, I just want to use this one, add points to polygon. And for example, I put the point here. Okay, here, so you can see my point here. And you can see here I have the polygon. Okay, and then if I close and I change to select, I double click here in polygons. Okay, I have style and then info, and then for the info here I can set it to top. I can call it top. Okay, I call it top, and you can see here we have calculator and we have spreadsheet. Okay, here by opening the spreadsheet we can change the polygon from only one point to actually area or several points. In this case, I want to create an anticline. Okay, so you can see anticline. So the anticline structure will be a good place for oil to accumulate. So in this model, I will construct anticline rather than just a linear structural or linear body of rock that actually it's not very good to trap oil. So I will create anticline